I taught my 86-year-old mother-in-law how to create digital products. Now I'm going to teach you. Take a look. So the first thing I did was recorded her doing her thing. She is a faith-bound woman. So we created that. Then I was able to take it all, put it together, put a nice little image of my 86-year-old mother-in-law. There she is. Look at her. Beautiful. Next, I went over to Taja and plugged in some good stuff to get this image. Let me show you that real quick. Now, once over in Taja, what I was able to do was get this image first of all, and then get this, everybody. It then gave me this stuff. Guys, I'm telling you, this is out of this world. If I can teach an 86-year-old how to create digital products, I know that I can show you some stuff, right? So look at this. I was able to take this information here, power of prayer, and start looking around to determine what were some of the highlights that I could pull out, right? So what it's given me is keywords, 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 and keywords. That's the power of being able to do something like this. So what I told my mother-in-law was to do was just talk. Just be yourself and just speak. And at this particular time, I had used a little recorder, and I says, just talk, mama. Just talk. And she did. And she started telling me about a time when she was praying up on some things, and this was the result. So now what we're going to do is we're going to then take this information, we're going to plug it into some other apps. I'm going to be showing you all of this stuff inside. We're going to plug it into some other apps, and then we're going to create the whole product. I'm going to show you all this stuff, but first, let me show you this. So here's a cool part. I have a thumbnail, I've got an actual title, and then I have all of this. This is awesome. This is where the power is. So we've got this one right here is telling me that it has a virality possibility score of 100. This one tells me it has a possibility virality score of 85. And then I've got all of these shorts with more information. I've got tags. I've got transcriptions. So I've got all the tools that I now need to go out there and say, okay, what are people already talking about? Spiritual guidance, power, prayer, inspiration, unlocking favor, persistent prayer. All of these things then are keywords that we can go out there and find out what people are already searching for and put this material in front of them and say, hey, listen, here's the product. We created the audio program. Would you like it? Invite them over to our YouTube channel. Invite them over to our IG page. Invite them over to your Facebook page, wherever it is, right? And then now, once on there, you can sell them other stuff. I'm going to be showing you all of this stuff as I unfold it inside of the course itself. Jump on in. Water's fine.